Hello content creators. YouTube Shorts are a new way to watch, discover and create new content by just using your phone. In today's video we will talk about how to create YouTube Shorts with your phone. Before we move to the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. So what are Shorts? Shorts are 15-second long vertical videos which are lightweight and easy to create with your phone, and they allow you to connect YouTube 2 billion users. Let me show you how you can watch and create shorts on YouTube. To watch YouTube Shorts, you just have to open YouTube application and there should be a Shorts button at the bottom. You can watch unlimited shorts by just scrolling down, or you can watch the shorts on your YouTube homepage here, or in the stories section. And the third way is, if you want to see any channel shorts, you can just go to the channel's homepage and watch their shorts like this. Now let me show you how you can create shorts on YouTube. It is very simple. Just tap on plus icon and click create a short. It will open up the mobile camera to record a 15-second clip. You can flip the cameras from selfie camera to the main camera. Then you have a speed option to make a video slow or fast. Then you have a timer option to set timer to start the recording, and after that you can apply filters to your video as well. We can also add a video from our phone gallery. When the video is ready, click OK, and now we have few more options available. We can add music or song from here. And after selecting a music, we can adjust the part we want to add in our video from here. Then we have a volume option to adjust a balance between our video and voice. I don't want my voice, so I will drag it to the music only. Then we can add any titles or text on the video. Adjust the color. Then we can adjust the alignment. And from here we can fill the background. From there we can change the style of the text, and from this slider we can adjust the size of the text. Then click done. Next we have a timeline option. We can adjust different layers here. For example, I want to hide this text and add one more text from the middle of the video. I will simply drag the end point of the text layer to the point where I want this text to disappear, and then I will add a new text by tapping this icon. And then going back to the timeline section and adjusting the next layer to my needs. So when you are done, you can adjust filters from here. And then click next to process the video. Now on this page you can give caption to your short and upload it. It will just take a minute to upload and your short is live. You can watch your shorts by going to your channel homepage and videos. You can watch the basic analytics as well. So that's it guys, I hope this video was helpful, and best of luck for the YouTube Shorts. Stay creative and I will see you in the next one. Peace.